Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. Today in this video we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful crochet earrings, the Sailor Moon Crochet Earrings, because these earrings looks like boat's wheel or ship's wheel, and it's a very simple and easy pattern. You can find the written pattern of this beautiful earrings in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. I've made these earrings using fine crochet thread. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So I'll be using Anchor pearl cotton crochet thread for this project, and I'll be using stitch marker, scissor, and 1.25 millimeter crochet hook to make this earring. Come on, let's see how to make this earring. So for round 1 I'm going to work a magic ring, and then I will work 12 single crochets around the magic ring, and then work a slip stitch on top of our starting single crochet to close this round 1. So at the end of round 1 we will have 12 single crochet stitches. So once you are done with round 1, tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot. So for round 2 I'm going to work a chain 3, which is considered as my first double crochet. So go ahead, work chain 3, and then we are going to work one more double crochet on the same stitch. So once you've worked chain 3, I'm going to work one more double crochet on the same stitch, and then I will work 2 double crochets on each stitch around. And then once you're done with that, I'll be working a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3 to close this round 2. So at the end of round 2 I will have 24 double crochet stitches. Go ahead, work 2 double crochet on each stitch around, and then work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3. So I'm just working a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3 to close the round 2, and then I'll start working round 3. For round 3 I'll work a chain 1, which does not count as a stitch, and then I will work one single crochet on the same stitch, and then I will work one single crochet on each stitch around, and once that is done I will work a slip stitch on top of my starting single crochet to close this round 3. So at the end of round 3 I will have 24 single crochet stitches. So go ahead, work round 3. I'll meet you at the end of round 3. So for round 4 I'm going to work chain 2. This chain 2 is considered as my first half double crochet stitch, and then I will work a chain 3, and then I will skip one stitch and then work one half double crochet on the next stitch. So I'm going to skip one stitch and then I will work one half double crochet on the next stitch. So once I have worked the half double crochet stitch, I'm going to work chain 3 and then skip one stitch and then work one half double crochet on the next stitch. So we're going to repeat this pattern. We're going to skip one stitch, work one half double crochet on the next stitch and then work a chain 3 around, and then once you're done with that, we are going to work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 2 to close this round 4. So at the end of round 4 we will have 12 half double crochet stitches with in between chain 3 spaces. So go ahead, complete round 4. I'll meet you at the end of round 4. So before working round 5, I'm going to work a slip stitch onto my next chain 3 space, and then I will work chain 3, which is considered as my first double crochet, and then I will work 3 more double crochet on the same chain 3 space, and then I will work 4 double crochet on each chain 3 space around, and then once I am done with that, I will work a slip stitch onto my starting chain 3 to close this round 5. So at the end of round 5 I will have 48 double crochet stitches. So for round 6 I am going to work a chain 1, which does not count as a stitch, and then I will work one single crochet on the same stitch. Then I will work one single crochet on the next 3 stitches, and then I will work one picot stitch. Picot stitch is nothing but we work 3 chains and then work a slip stitch onto your starting stitch. So and then I will work one single crochet on next 4 stitches and then one picot stitch. So we're going to repeat this around. So we'll work one single crochet on 4 stitches and then we will work one picot on the 4th stitch. So repeat this pattern around, and we will work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet to close this round 6, and then you can fasten off and weave your ends. So I'm done with that. I'm going to fasten off and I will weave my ends. So go ahead, weave your ends. So this is one of my earring. I'm going to make one more of that. So you can see that this is not stiffened up and it's kind of wobbly. As I always tell in my earring tutorials that we need to block this fine thread earrings. So for example, I'm going to block it with half teaspoon of white glue and half teaspoon of water. Mix it well and dip your work in that and then air dry them for about a day or so. So I've blocked these earrings now. It's stiffened up. So I'm going to add a earring hook or fish hook to it. So I'll pick any of those picot stitches where we have worked and then I'm going to add this earrings to this earring hoops. So go ahead, add in your hoops to your earrings. Your earrings are done. And it's nicely blocked and stiffened up. It looks like a ship's wheel or boat's wheel. So that's why I have named it as Sailor Moon earrings. And I have made few more earrings based on this theme. And it's a very quick make. And if you need a complete blocking instruction, I have shown it in my sunburst video earring video tutorial, which I have linked in the description box. You can check it and you can find the written pattern of this Sailor Moon earrings in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.